Hey folks, today I'm going to tell you how to find the long tail keywords for your Amazon listing what you want to do, because there are something which is called keyword and there's something called the long tail keyword. So what I'm going to share with you is something like this. You need a software. You cannot do it without any kind of software. So let me just open this tool for you. You will enter this URL rachitsethi.co/keywords dominator. This is my referral link for the particular tool. You will reach to this particular page, and what you essentially need to do right now, you can start for free, but you need to have a paid version coming on. So you can sign up for free here. The moment you sign up for free and you create your account, and it will talk about installing extension. Once you sign up for free, then we say okay, fine, download the extension, and then it will help you in researching the tool. So I've done that. Come back here. Yeah. Now this is the extension. Downloading the extension. Now I want to list a book, or list a particular book. Now this is how it looks like. When you are in a free version, it is a free version. Only 2 searches are free for a day. When you bought it, it's around $60 a product. So it's one-time purchase. You don't have to invest again and again. And this is working for all kind of Amazon marketplace. Anywhere you want to sell across Amazon. I want to sell in India, and I have a book which is for the entrance exam CBS, and this is English subject book. I don't know what kind of keywords people are searching on, and basically I want a long tail keyword. So now the search has got started. You see this thing? You can see the results are getting populated below. Calculated. First it's going to find the relevant keywords, then it's going to give me the ranking of that particular keyword. Great, I got this. So I got this CDS English book 2020, CDS English book Arihant, UPSC CDS English book, CDS English book, and so much of stuff coming in, and the ratings are like all are green, like it is like 9. So what I'll do, I'll just download that. But I need to work. On finding the best keyword for listing of my product. And in the beginning I said that I want a long tail keyword. So these are false, means they are not in top 10, none of the keywords in the top 10. But essentially my keyword is CDS English book, and CDS English book is highly targeted keyword because everybody will be targeting the same keyword. So I need to put a long tail keyword to it. So long tail keyword to it. Let me just see how can I find something. English book for CDS, English vocabulary book, English book for CDS, CDS book 2020 in English, CDS English books, CDS book for English, CDS English book in Hindi. Okay, previous English book for CDS exam, ranking is 8. So I can understand that this CDS English book 2020. So my long tail keyword would come from here only. I'll add a brand name to it, and I will say CDS, and I'll of course say English book, and then I 2022 because I'm just making it here, and we can have salt, pepper, figures. Yeah, perfect. So I'll just make it a bit of long tail keyword. CDS English book was my main keyword. I want to target this. To make it long tail, I added here a name. I added here the year. It became a long tail. Otherwise, CDS English book 2020 as such, and this particular keyword is already being targeted and being focused on. So what I've done, I just made it a long term, because then to target it will become easier. I can also pick up this one where I can add like this more. UPSC won't make sense. Should go like this. I'm just looking forward anything I can pick up from this. I'm just doing it for the real time I'm doing it in front of you. Yeah, perfect. So my keyword will become IBS, so that's my brand name, CDS, English book 2020, and rest of the things like new edition, etc., will follow in my description. So that's how you really need to do it. And in case you're not satisfied with your search, what I can do is I can clear this off. And I can write and just tweak a little bit, and we'll see anything else I can get. I'll have even more idea coming in. More or less the same thing are coming. English book for CDS exam, English book for CDS, English book for CDS, English grammar book for CDS. These are the kind of keywords I'm getting on. Okay, so this is the top 10 keywords. CDS English book and CDS English 2020 top 10 keywords. So I just picked up. Okay, so now you can see what kind of keywords people are searching on. So that's where we exactly get to know. This is also one of the top 10 keywords, English book for CDS exam. Okay, so I'll take this one. So English book for CDS exam is good to target. So it will become IBS English book for CDS exam 2020. The best keyword is this. Reason, English book for CDS exam is my keyword, which is here. This is my keyword. I made it long tail by adding these two elements to it. I made it a bit long tail, so now see English book of CDS exam 2020, CDS exam, English book, all individually entities can be searched upon this particular keyword. So my keyword becomes this. So this was the video I want to share with you guys. Thank you very much for watching this up. And if you want to access this tool, I'll just dropping the link here. Use this tool for your Amazon success. Don't and use long tail keywords, because my main keyword is English book for CDS or CDS English. That's what my main keyword is all about. But that's highly targeted. Everybody's running ad there, everybody's pushing that keyword, and if I go only with that keyword, I'll end up listing my product on the 17th page of Amazon. But I want to list my product on the first page of Amazon. That is why I need to target long tail keyword. I need to see what all relevant keywords which are following up for my particular products. So when I list the product, I'll do all the permutation and combination. I'll share the results in some time from now, that after my listing, where I rank my product, where is my product. I will share that also with you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much for that.